Welcome back. I'm Sean Fox and you're watching another episode of Made to Ramble. I never have any trouble finding something to film whenever I land in a new country. Everything's always new and exciting and different. I can't say the same thing when it comes to making videos closer to home. We're here right now on the South Perth Foreshore, and while I don't really come to Perth all that often, I'm hardly viewing the city with fresh eyes. That said though, I have some pretty cool camera gear with me, and there has been a lot of development going on here lately, so maybe with a little luck I can find something interesting to show you. After spending time in Singapore, I do find it a little hard to describe what's going on back there as development. Perhaps I'm being a bit of a snob, but I think it's going to take a whole lot more than a bridge and a water feature that poisons children to start bringing the tourists over in droves. It is a pretty nice spot to hang out though of an evening, and after a bit of a wander along the foreshore here, we're planning to catch a ferry across and grab ourselves a bite to eat. So how about it? Let's get going. As you can see for yourself, the foreshore is a pretty popular spot for cyclists and joggers. I made a video a few years back where we took a Segway tour along the other side over there, so there are alternative options if you're feeling too lazy to use your legs. If you have kids with you, there's a pretty nice playground, and the Perth Zoo is only a short walk from here. Alright, well I think it's time to catch that ferry. It only takes about 8 minutes to cross, and there's a ferry departing every 15 minutes. You can see why the BHP water park might be popular with families on a hot summer day. There were a few major issues when Elizabeth Quay first opened. The water park had to be closed at least twice due to some nasty bacteria found in the water. It didn't actually poison anyone. There were a few kids who developed rashes though, and to their credit, they were quick to close the park down as soon as the problem was identified. Apparently everything's hunky-dory now though, but there doesn't seem to be a lot happening here. Maybe just because it's a little too cool. There's plenty of places to eat and drink here, and this is a really gorgeous spot at night once the lights are all up. So Alex and I might just stop somewhere for a drink now. Most of this video was filmed with the trusty GH5 and using my new Sigma to 18 to 35mm with the Metabone Speed Booster Ultra. I'm hoping to make a video about this lens in the next few weeks, so keep an eye out for that if you're interested in that kind of thing. There will be some more local lifestyle videos like this one to come, and I have a few more music videos in the works. So until then, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already subscribed, I'm really hoping to see my subscriber count rise this year, as 62 subscribers is looking just a little sad. I'm trying to change things up quite a bit, so if you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see, leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. There'll be plenty more still to come, so I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.